This video is made for adult collectors. Enjoy. Hello friend, back again to my YouTube channel. Today, I will show some review for Black Mamba oversized knockoff TB13B Volcanicus. As you can see in the previous video, I already show you unboxing video on how to combine all Dinobots into Volcanicus robot. This robot has a slender torso which makes less dashing. And this robot also don't have mark Autobots like in the G1 movie. Let's find some references from internet. First, I looked for some Autobots logo from internet, redesigned, and I printed it. I redesigned Autobots logo in several sizes, but it seems the right size for this robot is 1 square centimeter. I printed using kiss cut method to make it easier for me to remove the logo from top layer sticker. I put the logo on each part of the Dinobot's head that were assembled to become the Volcanicus robot. Then, I looked for an upgrade kit for Volcanicus, but I was shocked by the price. Just for an upgrade kit, the price is the same as the robot or even more expensive. Luckily a few days ago, I found some 3D upgrade kit designed for Volcanicus on thingiverse.com. Here I found designs for the hands, chest, feet, and others. The format file is .stl. Then I downloaded the design and gave it to my friend to make it into 3D parts. When the parts arrived, I immediately sanded the surface to make it look smoother. I used sandpaper number 500 and 1000. Wash it to remove any remaining dirt that is still stuck on the parts. Then dry it. After dry, apply a black base primer to cover any remaining rough surface. And give it gold color to match the robot theme. I covered some parts with paper tape which I don't want to coloring. So far, I am satisfied with the results of the coloring even though it is a little messy. Here are the result after coloring. Let's combining that parts with Volcanicus robot. Turn back existing foot and attaching it into new foot. Switch existing hands with new ones. Put that badge into that parts. Attaching that thigh parts into robot. Attaching back part. And the last one is chest part. Put back again the arms into new peg from back part. Here the result after all parts combined. Looks more dashing and impressive in my opinion. Anyway, that is for this video. Shout out to all contributors on thingiverse.com who inspired me to make upgrade kit parts. And thanks for watching.